Yeah, my people, good morning. This is Chappie, otherwise the untouchable Chappie. What will happen between me and Moto? I am the one who come up with the idea to get a lawyer for this little boy named Jayden Smith that's missing in Jamaica, right? I got the lawyer, right? I spoke to the lawyer. I asked the lawyer how much he charging for consultation. The lawyer said $10,000 an hour for a consultation, right? I said to the lawyer, I'm not in Jamaica, but I am going to get somebody to come and do the consultation with you. She says she's not in Jamaica, she's in England. So what she's going to do, she's going to contact one of her colleagues, which another lawyer in Jamaica, to do the consultation, right? To take up the case, right? We set up a date for the 8th of December, right? I know that she's supposed to get $10,000 an hour, right? A consultation don't take more than 2 hours, right? I settled Moto, organize all of the things them that going to need it for the lawyer, because if we're going to put something in the court and ask for an Interpol to get the girl extradited back to Jamaica, right? So they can question her. And if it's necessary for her to get charged, she will get charged, right? So we have to have something concrete, right? It's not going around and talk about this video, that video, and that is not no proof. Because anybody can do can put out a voice out there and sound like somebody else, right? So I tell him what to do. When he go to the police station with the little boy mother yesterday, day before yesterday, which is yesterday was Saturday and Friday, he went to the police that who have the case, and the police didn't want to talk to me. I said, no, I don't want to talk to you. I tell him what to do, and I even give him an IPRO number to report the police, right? So it's like he's not following my instructions. So I said, okay, I send $34,000 to him on Thursday. Yeah, when I send the $34,000 to him, I got the receipt, and I say I'm not gonna give him the number to collect the money yet, because I want to talk on the live, that people know that I send the consultation money to him and how much the lawyer charges for consultation, right? When I leave work and I go home, I go on his live and I go in the box and I say to him, say, Moto, I send the money to you, right? But I am not going to give you the reference number until in the morning, so you can pick up the money. Same time, a lady, her name is Miss Marlene, they call her auntie. She was on the live, and she said, I want to send some money to, so tell me how I can send my money. I say to the lady, right, because I am the one who said me I put up $250,000, so I know how much, right, money should send to him for the consultation, because any money should go again, that money gonna pay direct to the lawyer, right? Because you do not trust people with that amount of money, because you don't know what they're going to do, right? Because people mind change when they see money. So anyway, the lady said she want to send some money. But tell the lady, said, all right, I am gonna inbox you my number, that I'm a Smalley, right? So you can sell me the money. I inbox her and she sell me $200. When she sent me $200, I was on the live here in the box, and I told him that I just get an alert on my phone that Miss Marlene sent her money to me, right? When I said that, Everybody said that was quick. Same time Smalling joined back the live and said, check your account. I just send you some money. So I said yes. The people that say on the live, yes. He already said already that he received the money. You're late, Miss Marlene. Because he already come out and say that. Saying he received the money. Anyway, before I go to work yesterday morning, which is before I go to work Friday morning, I call Moto and said to him, I am going to send you the confirmation, and I WhatsApp him the confirmation with the amount of money that he should collect. Moto go and collect the money, and he sent me back a voice message and said, do not send the rest of the money until the next day, which is Saturday. I wasn't going to send the money to him because I know much money the lawyer charge already for consultation. So once you've done the consultation and the lawyer agreed to take up the case, then that's the time I am going to contact the lawyer and set up some arrangement how the lawyer going to get the rest of the money. Right? Whether Zelle or Cash App. Right? Or she want me to send it to Western Union or MoneyGram, whatever. Right? So anyway, I hold on to Miss Marlene money because I didn't trust Moto. Right? Based on what Save the World is saying. Anyway, I call Moto and I said, Moto, tell me something. How much money you get from the people them on the live? Him said to me, say, oh, one girl said she gonna give me $10,000. I said, that's not what I asked you. I said, how much money you receive? She said, I said, no, get to the point. I said, I saw no Jamaican state, right? Just answer the question. Yes, you get money. Yes, you don't get the money. No. Yes or no. No, me didn't get the money. Alright, I said, alright, nothing wrong. I say, yeah or no. This is my money. What I send to you, don't use it. Send my money to my brother. Right? Because I'm out of this thing. Right? And I'm going to contact the lawyer and tell the lawyer, say, look, I am out of it. Right? And why you go up on the live and tell people, say, look, I am out of it. Him say, no, people don't have to know that because him collecting people money. So I don't want people to know. Right? Because if me are the person who organizes and putting up my own money, right? And he don't want me to come on the live and talk, say, yes, I am drawing out because he's a scammer. Right? What's so hard in that? So what I did, I called Miss Marlene. I didn't get her. No, I never called her. I go on her page, on her TikTok page. And I was searching for her. And I find her. When I find her, I find out that she was on Tiger Live yesterday. So what I do, I send her a message saying that I'm going to send back the $200 which she sent to my account to put towards the lawyer because this man is a scammer. Right? And I don't trust him. That's Moto. So anyway, send her that message. Me not see she budge. Send her another message while I was at work. And I don't see where she read it. So I send her 2 voice message again. Right? So when I go back again and click on her page, I see that she joined her live. So I said, alright, I leave it. I sent her this next message and said, look, WhatsApp me your number or call me now. And while I'm at work, she called me and I missed the call. And then when I check my phone, I see the missed call and I call her back. And she said, what's really going on? I start explaining to her. I said, listen, I'm out of this thing because as far as Mr. Moto is a scammer, I may never hide and tell her. And I send my money to him in Jamaica already, and I don't send you money to him, right? And the money where I send to him, it passes the consultation fee because the lawyer charged $10,000 an hour, right? And the lawyer said, tell me say it's 2 hours. Moto come and tell me it's 2.5 hours, the lawyer said, right? So anyway, I say get the consultation money already. I am going to tell him to hand over the money to my brother, right? Because I'm out of this. And she said, oh my God, I never know all of this thing are going on. I said, yes. I find him out, that's me, say he's a scammer. Because I hear Save the World come out, but I don't like to talk about people. I like to prove things for myself, right? I said, when you are genuine a person, or anybody that try to genuine, always 10 steps ahead of them, right? Because there's a lot of ways people can know that you're lying. So if you are not 10 steps ahead of me, there's no way you can beat me. Because I told him already, said the most generalship done in England, right? And England is a university to itself, right? And people go to England and study fraud in a university and college. So don't try to channel me. Anyway, I told him that not to use the money. And last night now, I tried to join the live. Because Miss Marlene, while I was at work, Miss Marlene said, look, I am calling him, Moto, and Moto not answering me. And she called Moto over 100 times, and Moto do not answer the lady, right? And while I was going home, I was on the phone talking to her while she calling Moto, right? Anyway, when I reach in, I call Moto on my phone. Moto don't pick up, right? I call him maybe around 6 times or more, and he don't pick up because he was on the live. And if I never said all of these things to Moto, he would have answered, because all the time when he's on live, he answer me, right? So what I do, I join the live, and when I join the live, I request to go in the box, and he did not accept me in the box, because I was going to come out and tell the people them in the box that this man is a scammer, right? And explain to the people them. But you know this, he don't do that. So anyway, Miss Marlene tried to go in the box, and he don't accept Miss Marlene either. Which Miss Marlene is one of the person who's supporting, who sending her money, right? So this morning now, I and Miss Marlene was on the phone, and Miss Marlene we was talking about the lawyer. I said, listen, I am going to send you the lawyer number, and you contact the lawyer to find out from the lawyer, right? So she said, all right, I send her the lawyer number, all right? She called the lawyer, she never get through to the lawyer, because she was saying to me, maybe today Sunday, so the lawyer not going to pick up. So she told me she sent a message to the lawyer. I said, no, delete the message, because you're not the one who contacted the lawyer. You just want to talk to the lawyer in person, right? To find out if this is true. Because Moto started to send voice message, so oh, him and the lawyer talk, and the lawyer this and and all of these voice messages, you can know that somebody do it from their phone and send out these voice messages, right? So Moto is a laghead, and I am gonna play all of these voice messages when Moto send out on live, because Miss Marlene share back everything, I already text them, and Moto don't even have no sense, because lawyer not gonna send you those texts, because lawyer are intelligent. The type of text will lawyer go send to you. I'm telling you, these people they are so stupid. Right? These scammers, they need to organize themselves properly. Right? So basically what I did, I called my brother and tell my brother to call Moto. Right? And tell Moto to send the money to him. So my brother called Moto. Moto was on the live, and Moto tell my brother say him on the phone talking to somebody while he was on the live. Moto don't want answer no phone call. Right? So when my brother called me and tell me some Moto say he give 15 minutes. I said no, don't listen to Moto. So I get ash with my brother. I hang up my phone for my brother. I'm a call back Miss Marley. Miss Marley, what Moto said to you? She said she called Moto, and Moto I said, oh, hello, I can't hear you. In the panel live and in live I give problem. I said that's not your business, because basically if you send your money to him and he do not want to answer, right? That means there's something right. So anyway, go on my phone and try to record to send a voice message to him. And when he find out that I'm sending a voice message, that's the time when he called me back, give me a drop call. And I return back the call. When I return back the call, he come and he say, oh, I speak to you. I say, listen, why you listen to me loud and clear. Me that serious man when it come on to my money. Me not play when it come on to my money. You see my money and my food and my clothes, don't play with it. Moto, let me tell you this. Make my brother get the money when I send to you. $34,000. Make my brother get the money. Because you get money from people and you talk like you get the money. I am the one who said I put up $250,000. I am the one who come up with this. Yeah? Say that to get a lawyer, the only thing can solve this problem is a lawyer. I mean, I have to put up no money for nothing. Right? Because I don't even know these people. Right? I go as far and I tell you, I see the cousin put out a video. Say that the little boy forgot his grandfather and all they have big house and they have this and they have that. I mean, you say to you and you tell me, oh, that's a long time video. I see the video. You know? I say, alright, listen to me. My brother get my money because I send back Miss Marlene $200 to her. Right? I'm sell back Miss Marlene her $200 and tell Miss Marlene say me out of this. I'm going to contact the lawyer, keep on contact the lawyer until she, because everything when Moto sent to her is a pure lie. Moto is a scammer. Moto is a scammer. But you see, I am going to do more video and send out so people can understand this. Right? Nobody can journal me. Nobody can grow on me. Right? Me tell him, Mr. Listen to me. People in America do not have it. So people in Jamaica live better than people in America. So if a person come out and contribute to something, you should appreciate that. Right? Because a lot of people here, they only live from paycheck to paycheck. Right? A lot of people are sleeping in their car. And that I said to him, I say a lot of people are on Section 8. Right? But you people don't come out and tell them these things. You try to scam people. Right? Me and my money, me have to do that. Because I take my money to do something else. But I just do it from my heart because God is God. And God is real. I only just try to scam people. Right? I make it look bad for other people, like say other people are scammer. Right? But you know most of these things, why I find out most of these things, so I alone would have find out is Save the World come up with it. Right? And I ask you the question, and I ask Save the World, but if you never come on the live, when Save the World was on the live, when I call a lawyer and speak to the lawyer, right? Would I hear more? Because you're getting money from other people. Because Save the World say you get money from people from England, but you will never record everything from the first. Is when Save the World start getting to things, that's when I start the recording. But people, today's Sunday. Right? And I am out for now. I am going to send this to a lot of vloggers. I am going to send out this. I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel so people can listen to it. Because Moto is a scammer. Stop sending money to Moto. Any money you want to send to Moto, tell him to give you back on the money. Go on back on the money. In contact my brother. My brother just send the message to me. Say that instead tomorrow, he might go send the 34,000 when I send to him. Right? Moto is a scammer. But I am out and God bless and keep the faith. Right? On to try and organize on yourself and get on a lawyer on yourself and do whatever I do and send on the money to no lawyer. And who can do it, get somebody who can trust. Right? And anything with them I do with the lawyer, then they on a video call or a Zoom link. Because the lawyer tell me that she was going to set up a Zoom link for me to do the Zoom with her. But I said too, I don't know if I am going to at work on that day. That's why I didn't set up the Zoom link. Right? Moto is a scammer. But my people, look out on no high. And anybody who send money to Moto, take back on the money. Take back on the money. Take back on the money. You don't care, so I never tell you no. And this is Chappy, the untouchable Chappy record digital distribution. And I am out.